On an average, 10 questions are coming from this subject. These are 20 marks in the prelims, which is a huge number. And why are these 10 questions more important? Because ये वो questions हैं जो mostly लोग ignore करके जाते हैं. सबसे बड़ी misconception कि current affairs पढ़ लो तो science and tech हो जाता है. Science and tech पढ़ के हमें economy better समझ आता है, हमें environment better समझ आता है. Defense, security, intellectual property rights, जिनसे questions बार आते हैं, they are part of science and tech only. Conceptual clarity उतनी ही important है जितने current affairs important हैं. Hello and welcome to Clarity for UPSC. I am Dr. Shivan. 2 years ago when I started my teaching journey, it was with science and technology, and I'm glad that that day is back. This is the official course launch video for science and technology for prelims 2025. Let us get started. पहले देखते हैं साइंस एंड टेक की वेटेज क्या है. कई लोगों को लगता है कि साइंस एंड टेक इज अ वेरी स्मॉल सब्जेक्ट जो सिर्फ करंट अफेयर्स पढ़ के हो जाएगा, एंड देन यू फील कि प्रीलिम्स में तो सिर्फ 30-35 क्वेश्चंस ही सॉल्वेबल होते हैं, बाकी पता नहीं कहाँ से आते हैं. We have this feeling because we don't study this subject properly. Look at the weightage of this subject. On an average, 10 questions are coming from this subject. These are 20 marks in the prelims, which is a huge number. And why are these 10 questions more important? Because ये वो questions हैं जो mostly लोग ignore करके जाते हैं. अगर आप over the years देखें, in 2022 there were 14 questions, but there's an average of 10 questions every year from this subject. So this subject is fairly important. बट इस सब्जेक्ट को लेके काफी सारी मिसकंसेप्शंस हैं. क्या है वो? फर्स्टली, सबसे बड़ी मिसकंसेप्शन कि करंट अफेयर्स पढ़ लो तो साइंस एंड टेक हो जाता है. इन दिस वीडियो, बाय द एंड ऑफ दिस वीडियो, आई विल प्रूव टू यू दैट दिस मिसकंसेप्शन इज रॉन्ग. ये फैक्ट नहीं है. करंट अफेयर्स इज नॉट इक्वल टू साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी. साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी इज नॉट इक्वल टू करंट अफेयर्स. साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी वैसा ही सब्जेक्ट है जैसे बाकी सारे सब्जेक्ट्स हैं. वी हैव टू हैव कंसेप्चुअल अंडरस्टैंडिंग हियर. अब लोगों को लगता है कि अगर मुझे साइंस एंड टेक में कंसेप्चुअल अंडरस्टैंडिंग चाहिए तो मेरा साइंस बैकग्राउंड होना चाहिए. दिस इज ऑल्सो नॉट ट्रू. दिस यू विल हियर फ्रॉम माई स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ माई प्रीवियस कोर्स, पीपल हु हैव नेवर स्टडीड साइंस इवन इन 11th and 12th, who have then mastered this subject with me. Then we don't understand the linkages here. This is also a subject that is linked to various other subjects. Science and tech पढ़ के हमें economy better समझ आता है, हमें environment better समझ आता है. Then conceptual clarity is the name of the game. Facts याद करके या रट के ये बात नहीं बन सकती. कितना रटेंगे ना यार. एक सब्जेक्ट है साइंस जैसा सब्जेक्ट, हम रटने की कोशिश नहीं करनी चाहिए हमें. फिर इसमें कुछ एरियाज हैं जो हम इग्नोर करते हैं. डिफेंस, सिक्योरिटी, इंटेलेक्चुअल प्रॉपर्टी राइट्स, जिनसे क्वेश्चंस बार आते हैं. दे आर पार्ट ऑफ साइंस एंड टेक ओनली. व्हाई? बिकॉज दे आर, व्हेन वी स्टडी देम इन द मेंस, दे आर पार्ट ऑफ GS3 and there also science related questions get asked. For example, S400 system has been asked in the mains. Similarly in prelims, Agni 5 has been asked. And lastly, the main problem is following scattered resources, monthly compilations, and current affairs. All of these problems and any other problem that you're facing in science and tech, I will solve for you. Now, before I go into detail about my approach, I would like that you hear from some of my previous students of this course. Take a look.
Hello everyone, I'm Vijeta B. Hosmani. I have secured the All India Rank 100 in the UPSC Civil Services Exam 2023. I had been a beneficiary of some of crash courses of Dr. Shivan online. So for the prelims, the Science and Technology course and the Environment course. Dr. Shivan's style of teaching is excellent. So for people who did not have a science background, the way he explained the concepts of biotechnology were great. So Dr. Shivan has been there for all the candidates as a great mentor. So thank you Dr. Shivan for that.
Hello, I am G. Sahidarsini, secured All India Rank 112 in UPSC CSE 2023 exam. Shivan sir, I wanted to take a moment to express my sincere gratitude for the incredible support and guidance you have provided during my UPSC journey. I have enrolled in your Environment and Science and Tech courses for prelims. Overall, your dedication and commitment to your students' success are truly commendable, sir. Few differentiators from any of the other courses which I have taken and your courses were the quality of content. It was really to the point yet very holistic and well organized, and your teaching approach had very detailed explanations. Your passion for teaching and genuine care for your students' success is so clearly visible in every time I interact with you. And thank you once again for being such an exceptional mentor, sir. Thanks a lot.
My name is Vinay Sunil Patil and I have secured All India Rank 122 in this year's Civil Services examination result. Dr. Shivin sir in my success. I was part of his Science and Technology and Environment course. His one-pagers were very handy in my revision before prelims. So I would like to say thank you to Dr. Shivin sir for all his honest support throughout the journey.
Good afternoon, I'm Anjana Dahiya and have secured All India Rank 134 in Civil Services Examination 2023. I had enrolled in Dr. Shivin Chaudhary's course for Science and Tech and Environment for prelims. I think so for prelims perspective, the Science and Tech and Environment course was very comprehensive. All the topics were covered, and I think so if an aspirant listens to his course, you need not do anything else apart from updating yourself with current affairs. Sir also provides a lot of one-pager notes for every topic. For prelims, I'm very sure that Science and Tech and Environment will really be very helpful for all of you. Thank you so much.
My name is Manvi Singhal and I secured rank 292 in this year's UPSC CSE examination. This was my first attempt and I enrolled in multiple courses which were taught directly under the guidance of Dr. Shivin sir. The first two courses were the Science and Tech and the Environment course, just before the prelims. I think that the nature of these courses was such that enabled me to gather not only knowledge but build upon the conceptual understanding, which is very important looking at the evolutionary nature of this examination as well as the prelims. Along with that, sir also provided us with the one-pager notes which were extremely helpful to revise just before the prelims. So thank you so much sir for guiding me through this journey of UPSC.
Hello everyone, my name is Romil Bijilwan and have secured an All India rank of 353 in this year's Civil Services examination. And I would like to thank Dr. Shivin for helping me achieve this rank. I was enrolled in his two courses of Environment and Science and Technology, and they were my only reference material with respect to these two subjects. Along with the theoretical aspects, I also learned a lot from him, like how to approach the MCQs better, how to keep a calm head during the exam. So yeah, again I would like to sincerely thank Dr. Shivin for helping me to get this rank. Thank you so much, sir.
My name is Manika Gupta and I have secured All India rank 372 in this year's Civil Services examination. Credit to major part of my success goes to Dr. Shivin sir's courses that helped me sail through every stage of this examination. At the prelim stage, his Science and Tech and Environment course helps you build that conceptual clarity. So a very big thank you sir for all your efforts.
Hello everybody, my name is Ritu Yadav and I have scored All India rank 470 in this year's UPSC exam. I want to use this platform to thank you Dr. Shivin sir for his constant support in clearing this exam throughout the journey. So starting from the prelims exam, I watched sir's Science and Tech and Environment course in which he has given detailed one-pager notes for quick revision. Along with that, the PYQ solving techniques. So thank you sir, thank you for your constant support. Like you are helping the community in every way possible. So thank you so much sir.
Now you must have heard the feedback that people have given. अब मैंने आपको कहा था कि ये चीज कि करंट अफेयर्स आर इनफ फॉर साइंस एंड टेक, मैं आपको ये डिस्प्रूव करके दिखाऊंगा. लेट मी शो दैट टू यू. व्हेन आई टॉट माय फर्स्ट साइंस एंड टेक कोर्स, इट वाज इन 2023. I taught this in March 2023. In 2024, I did not teach this course because I was in Labasna. After my selection, I was undergoing my training and now I'm teaching it again. ये देखते हैं कि ये March 2023 का जो कोर्स था, इसमें ऑफ कोर्स 2024 के करंट अफेयर्स तो हो ही नहीं सकते, राइट? अनफॉर्चुनेटली मैं अंतर्यामी नहीं हूं. बट लेट्स सी द 2024 क्वेश्चंस एंड कंपेयर देम टू दिस कोर्स. 2024 प्रीलिम्स का क्वेश्चन and these are the slides where you can find the exact answer to this question. ये 2023 के कोर्स की स्लाइड्स हैं. 2024 का क्वेश्चन ऑन 5th जनरेशन एयरक्राफ्ट, 2023 के कोर्स के स्लाइड्स में इसका डायरेक्ट आंसर लिखा हुआ है. 2024 का क्वेश्चन ऑन फ्यूल सेल इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल्स, 2023 के कोर्स में इसका एग्जैक्ट आंसर लिखा हुआ है when we were studying renewable energy. 2024 का क्वेश्चन ऑन मेटावर्स, 2023 में उसका आंसर. Because science and tech is not current affairs based only. Conceptual clarity उतनी ही इंपॉर्टेंट है जितने करंट अफेयर्स इंपॉर्टेंट हैं. करंट अफेयर्स से क्वेश्चन आते हैं. ये 2023 का पेपर है एंड 2023 के ही कोर्स की स्लाइड की स्क्रीनशॉट है. दिस इज अ 2023 क्वेश्चन एंड दिस इज अ 2023 कोर्स स्क्रीनशॉट. सो देयर आर करंट अफेयर्स बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस आल्सो, बट करंट अफेयर्स हमें कब समझ आएगा? जब हमें कंसेप्चुअल क्लैरिटी होगी, एंड दैट इज व्हाट आई विल बी फोकसिंग ऑन हियर. So let me talk to you about my approach. सबसे पहले, एंड दिस यू हैव सीन अक्रॉस द बोर्ड, आई एनीवे डोंट बिलीव इन मगिंग अप थिंग्स, हमारी सबसे पहली चीज यहां पर रहेगी कि हम पूरी तरह से सब्जेक्ट को अंडरस्टैंड करेंगे विद कंसेप्चुअल क्लैरिटी। ये दिक्कत हमें नहीं आनी चाहिए। देयर विल बी कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव कवरेज ऑफ ऑल पार्ट्स ऑफ साइंस एंड टेक, और साइंस एंड टेक के 9 जो पार्ट हैं वो भी मैं आपको भी नेक्स्ट स्लाइड में दिखाऊंगा। नाउ लेट्स टॉक ऑफ द सेकंड प्रॉब्लम। द सेकंड प्रॉब्लम इज दैट वी कांट रिवाइज क्विकली। हमारे पास कुछ ऐसा होना चाहिए कि जब लेट्स से हमारा प्रीलिम्स 10 दिन में है, 15 दिन में है, और मुझे एक दिन में पूरा साइंस एंड टेक रिवाइज करना है, उसके लिए आई एम गोइंग टू फॉलो द अप्रोच ऑफ कंसाइज हैंड रिटन नोट्स। आई डिड दिस फॉर इकोनॉमी एंड दिस वाज वेरी अप्रिशिएटेड। तो यहां भी आई विल बी राइटिंग द एंटायर हैंड रिटन नोट्स फॉर यू। आपको बस वो नोट्स पढ़ के जाने हैं एंड इट विल बी सॉर्टेड। अब बात करते हैं थर्ड प्रॉब्लम की, विच इज करंट अफेयर्स। ऐसा नहीं है कि करंट अफेयर्स इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है। सो व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू डू हियर is I'm going to cover every single thing that has appeared in the current affairs in the last 3 years. And this is my guarantee. आप लास्ट ईयर के न्यूज़पेपर, हिंदू हो या इंडियन एक्सप्रेस हो, कोई भी आर्टिकल उठा के देख लेना साइंस एंड टेक का, और अगर वहां ये कवर यहां पर ना हो, then you come and tell me. I will be reading every single article. I have read most of them already, and everything that has appeared in the current affairs in the last 1 year, especially completely in the newspaper, and उसके पहले के भी जो important current affairs हैं, we'll be covering here. अब लास्ट प्रॉब्लम पे आते हैं कि हम PYQs खुद नहीं करते, तो मैं कर देता हूं आपके लिए। From 2013 to 2024, every single previous year question of science and technology that has appeared in the UPSC prelims and the questions that have also appeared in CDS, CAPF, Geoscientist, other ancillary UPSC papers, we will be doing that live in the class. हम साथ में करेंगे and they will be treated like a test. आपके सामने क्वेश्चन होगा, 1 मिनट का टाइमर होगा, आप उसे सॉल्व करोगे एंड देन आई विल कम बैक एंड सॉल्व विद यू। दैट इज द अप्रोच वी आर गोइंग टू फॉलो हियर। अब बात करते हैं कि कौन कौन से पार्ट्स हैं जो हमें करने हैं। साइंस एंड टेक इज डिवाइडेड इनटू दीज एरियाज एंड यही सारे एरियाज हम कवर करेंगे। वी विल स्टार्ट विद बायोटेक। ओरिएंटेशन वीडियो में मैं आपको इसके बारे में डिटेल में बताऊंगा। बायोटेक इज दैट पार्ट जहां से मैक्सिमम क्वेश्चंस आते हैं। इन द लास्ट 5 years 40% क्वेश्चंस हैव कम फ्रॉम बायोटेक। सो विल स्टार्ट विद बायोटेक। बायोटेक इज इनेटली लिंक्ड टू हेल्थ एंड डिजीजेस। तो यहां पर डीएनए, आरएनए, सेल्स, माइक्रो आरएनए, क्रिस्पर कैसनाइन एक्सेट्रा पढ़ने के बाद we'll come to health. From health then we'll go on to nanotech. nanotech के बाद 2 linked चीजें हैं, स्पेस और डिफेंस टेक्नोलॉजी, जो हम साथ में पढ़ेंगे. That is why I was telling you defense technology is also equally important. Then we'll move on to computing and emerging technologies. Things like AI, which is very, very important for this year, quantum computing, blockchain, etc. This we'll cover here with quantum technologies and emerging technologies. Finally, we'll come to intellectual property rights, the regime of the WTO, what are IPRs, what is evergreening of patents, what is compulsory licensing, etc. वो हम यहाँ cover करेंगे. And lastly, we will also cover the role of Indian scientists. ये मेंस के सिलेबस में लिखा है, प्रीलिम्स के सिलेबस में डिटेल में नहीं लिखा, but questions can be asked here also. So these 9 thematic areas we will cover comprehensively with current affairs, with PYQs, and with maximum focus on conceptual clarity, not mugging anything up. Especially science में तो हम कुछ भी mug up नहीं ही करेंगे. Now let us discuss the schedule and the class timings. So we'll be starting this on this coming Monday, which is 17th February. On 17th February, we'll be having an orientation session. इस orientation में in detail I'll be telling you कि कहाँ से questions आए हैं, what is the schedule that you have to follow, how to use the handwritten notes, etc. We'll be starting at 9 AM and then in 3 weeks, जैसे हमारा step का plan है, जो हमारा prelims revision program का plan है, सब में हमने 3 weeks budget किए हैं for science and tech. In 3 weeks, we'll be covering everything including current affairs. और इसके बाद के जो current affairs होंगे, what about the things that happen in March and April, even that I will cover with you. So this is effectively a one-stop solution for science and tech. You do not need to go anywhere else. 3 हफ्ते में पूरा साइंस एंड टेक खत्म कर लेंगे. 9 बजे क्लास होगी, आप भी जल्दी उठना, मैं भी जल्दी उठूंगा. अब this course is already a part of my bundle, the bundle course of economy, science and tech and environment. तो अगर आप इसमें हैं, do not purchase it separately. This is also already a part of our prelims revision program. PRP has all of these components. So science and tech is an important component here and this is already included. तो इन दोनों में अगर आप हैं, this is already, you have the access to this, you don't need to buy it separately. For anyone who wants to get it separately only for science and tech, this is what we've kept the price at and we've kept it as affordable as it was when I launched in 2023. The course link is in the description and in the pinned comment. For whatever questions you have, you can leave them in the comments below. or you can contact us or any of these platforms. Thank you, and I'll see you on 17th now with the orientation. Have a good day. Bye-bye.